It's Wednesday morning, it's the morning of the eclipse, and I decided I would go out and watch John milk some cows.
To west first, you can see the milk in there now, see? Government has got a scheme to take the old cows, see? We only get 52 pence a kilo, up to 560 kilos.
So you get rid of the older ones?
Yes, right.
And they slaughter them?
Yes.
Yeah.
And incinerated.
Yeah.
Right. There's a cow with two calves, yeah, two Friesian bull calves.
Oh, yeah.
Nobody wants them. The trade is so bad. They've only been maybe worth £1 a piece.
Really?
Yes.
And nobody wants them because?
There's no export.
They're no export.
No.
They're just not worth much.
Before, up to July 31st, we were having £45.
45 pounds a calf.
But the scheme is finished. The government has refused to take them anymore. There's only demand for good bull beef calves.
Right.
Yes, farming is going through a very bad period.
Is it?
Yes. Sheep, old cows, nobody wants them. People have got to slaughter them on the farm. It's really serious. It's worse since the 30s.
Wow.
Yes. Milk price is down 25% compared to 3 years ago.
Wow.
Yes. Every commodity we sell.
It's down.
All didn't cover the cost of shearing.
Wow. Doesn't make it worth it.
No, not really.
And this is an electric fence here.
The other one I'm moving. This is Ivy Valley now. The Vale of Ivy.
Hello, girlie. Hello, little pretty cow you are.
Water going down there now.
So you leave it open so they can go down there? You just set up an electrical perimeter?
Yes. Limit amount of grass they get every day. See? Oh, run. Oh, oh. Oh.
So most of the cows are milked already?
Yes. The lambs up there, see?
Oh yeah, those are your lambs.
We're selling lambs now for £15 a head less than 2 years ago. 2 years ago we were having about 50 quid for them, £50. This year we're down to per 30 and they are good lambs.
Wow.
A lot of small lambs going for a fiver.